Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will write a simple program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will compute the sum in product of two given numbers using Ruby programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with the newly uploaded video. So we have here the title of our program, sum in product of two numbers in Ruby. In this line of code, we are getting the input of the user that will be stored in our variable num1 gets chop to underscore I means integer. The same thing with our variable num2. So basically this line of codes are for the input from the user, first and second number, and then in this line of code we perform sum, calculate sum and product. So sum equals num1 plus num2, product is equals num1 multiply by asterisk num2, and then we display the result here. The sum of sharp num1 and sharp curly bracket num2 is sharp curly opening close curly bracket sum puts string. So here we have also here puts the product of sharp curly bracket num1 and sharp curly bracket num2 is sharp curly bracket product. As I said earlier, beginning of this video, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Kindly see the video description. Let us go to online GTB to run the code. Okay, our program is running right now. Enter first value, let's say we have 20, and then the second number will be 22. So the sum of 20 and 22 is 42. The product of 20 and 22 is 440. Let us run a code for the second time around. Let's see, first value we have 10. Second number, let's say we have 2. Sum of 10 and 2 is 12. The product of 10 and 2 is 20. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of sum and product of two numbers in Ruby programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.